Question, do you recognize the science of man-made climate change? If not, why not?
Okay, this is like the fourth time we've had this debate. I'm looking forward to it. We're going to talk about climate change. And you know, climate change used to be global warming, and before that it was acid rain, and before that, they thought we were having an ice age. So like every 10 years they change it into something different. Here's the deal. Whether you believe that there is so-called climate change man-made or not, it really doesn't matter. The whole point is, if you believe it, what are you going to do about it? And for, you know, a bunch of times in our debates, I'd keep saying, what are your proposals? You know, Dan will walk through parades with a sign that says, act on climate change. But he never really comes out and tells people exactly what he's going to do about it, what policies he's going to support, and more importantly, how much those policies would cost you. Now, here's what I believe. The earth has been heating and cooling since God created it. I believe that there's been climate change forever. Whether or not it's man-made or not, I don't believe it makes a difference, because the proposals that are out there aren't going to solve the problem, and I believe there are other ways to address the problem than transforming our energy sector and turning our economy upside down. The ideas that they have out there, carbon tax, cap and trade, regulations against fracking and methane, all these the Paris Climate Accords. What that does is it drives up the cost of every product and service in the country. It makes us less affluent, and it takes power from the United States economy and it transfers it across the world to our adversaries in trading.